Many women come to us asking कि सर ये हर्निया इन फीमेल्स क्या होता है, मुझे अगर हर्निया है मुझे कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा. So first of all, let us know that most commonest hernia in female is inguinal hernia. मतलब जांघों में जो हर्निया होता है वो सबसे कॉमन होता है इन फीमेल्स. It can be seen as a bulge or swelling in the inguinal region, और जांघों में swelling मालूम पड़ेगी आपको. Second most commonest hernias seen in females are after surgery, like after cesarean section or after any surgery which involves removal of any abdominal organ like hysterectomy. ये सब करने के बाद फीमेल्स में बहुत टाइम ये एब्डोमिनल टोन वीक हो जाता है. प्रेगनेंसी इज वन ऑफ द कल्प्रिट फॉर रिड्यूसिंग द एब्डोमिनल टोन. उसके वजह से ये पेट का हर्निया, और वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ इंसिजनल हर्निया, इज ऑल्सो मोस्ट कॉमन in females. Treatment for hernia, as all of you know, is only surgery. Symptoms could be a small swelling, increase in the swelling on coughing. Sometimes the swelling can give rise to complication like strangulation, obstruction, and then emergency surgery can be taken. So don't wait for the emergency to come. Whenever you see a small inguinal swelling, a bulge, or a swelling in a previously operated site, come to us, get it diagnosed. It could be the start of your hernia, and the treatment is very simple. With the help of laparoscope, we can treat any hernias effortlessly. So there won't be any pain. Recurrence बहुत ही कम, minimal है. Blood loss minimal होता है, और cosmetically it is far much better than open surgeries. हाँ, लेकिन hernia बड़ा है, multiple complicating issues है, then also open surgery is beneficial. So don't afraid about the surgery. Surgery बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. There is no pain, minimal time in a hospital. So if you have such swellings, my female friends, don't waste time. Come to us. Thank you.